Hej med jer. Jeg vil lige lave vores aftensmad, og så tænker jeg, I kunne få lov at kigge med. Det er sådan lidt en salat, jeg tænker, vi skulle have i dag, med lidt kylling. Og så måske lidt brød til fra fryseren, ja. Skal vi ikke bare prøve at gå i gang? Jeg tror, jeg prøver at starte med bare at lave dressingen, og det er fordi, det skal tit stå og trække noget tid.
Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young, it doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you.
Jeg har lige revet lidt ekstra parmesan, fordi det skal vi bruge til at drysse over salaten. Så er det jo gjort, så jeg tænkte, det var lidt nemt at gøre det nu. Så skal jeg faktisk have gjort kyllingen klar, have det ristet med lidt af det her krydderiblanding, og så skal jeg have ordnet selve salaten også.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there.
Jeg tænkte, at jeg vil bare anrette direkte på tallerkenen, i stedet for at lave en skålsalat, og så kan vi tage det. Så nu prøver jeg bare at så gøre sådan her i stedet for. Ja, det er nok lige rigeligt, men vi prøver at se. Vi er lidt fresh i dag. Så er det jo bare fordelt fyldet ud over, ikke også? Det er lige mig, hvilken rækkefølge det er. Det skal jeg bare på, ikke? Så tager jeg Cajun, så.
Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream, so you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah, when I give you every part of me. I can't believe this is real. dreamt of a